In this video, we will show you how to configure your SKU template to generate SKUs and how to print product labels. Please notice the main app areas: SKU Settings area, Generation Target and Options area, and the SKU Preview area. Each time the SKU settings are changed, you can see how the SKUs will look in the Preview area. In the Target area, you can select which products will have the SKU updated. You can update all your products, only products in a collection, or a list of products loaded from the Shopify's products list. When the target is changed, the SKU preview loads the first targeted products. A custom list of products can be selected and sent to the app to target for SKU generation. Selected products have been loaded. The auto number allows you to generate unique SKUs. If the auto number is removed, the generated SKUs might not be unique. Play with the settings and see what works for you. You can choose to overwrite the SKUs for all targeted products or to generate SKUs only if they are missing. When you're ready, click the Generate button. When the SKU generation is complete, you'll see the newly generated SKU loaded in the SKU column in the Preview area. The app can generate SKUs automatically for your new products. The automatic generation requires a monthly subscription. We can also print labels for your products. You can use one of our predefined label templates. You can print labels for an entire collection, or you can select a list of products and send it to our app for printing. Printing uses the browser's print dialog and the printer driver installed on your system. You might need to select the correct page size and margins in your printer driver settings. You can use predefined templates or you can create your own label templates. You can customize any of the predefined templates to adjust it to your needs. The label template includes controls for arranging the label on the page and for sizing the label, and a liquid-based template for the label contents. You can save up to 3 custom templates. After you change the template to your liking, you can save it to one of the custom slots. The template you saved will be available in the list of templates. The label customization is available in the premium plan. Thank you for watching.